Limited. Defunct. Ultra rare.
Hats and caps unboxings. Today we have a NHL fitted. It's from Canada. Or it's a Canadian team, I should say. Well, let's take a look at what we have in today. And there it is, the Calgary Flames. Founded in 1972, technically. But the team moved to Calgary in 1980. And they have won one Stanley Cup in their tenure as a franchise. On a side note, this is presented by Famous Thinking, shop.famousthinking.com, shop.famousthinking.com for NHL New Era hats. Not Fanatics, New Era. That's right, New Era. Old stock, vintage, flex styles and sizes, but plenty to choose from. Take a look at some details. Let's look at some details of the cap. Here we go. Up close look. Very crisp stitching with that C. Calgary of the Flames. And we're going with the 59Fifty, 59Fifty. Calgary Flame colors. Let's take a look at other aspects. Side shot. See that black stitching with the dome. Kind of like it sets a different color tone. Kind of, it's a little bit different. You don't really see that too often. Black New Era right there on the side. Right, so we're taking a look at the back. You see the NHL badge right here. So when you see an NHL badge on a New Era hat, that means this was before the Fanatics deal. So everything after the Fanatics deal, NHL badge is not on because they are not the primary distributor of hats. So this is a pre-Fanatics. So we're probably talking 2016 to 2019 production of the cap. Side shot, nothing, no patch or anything. Black UV with the NHL hologram sticker, official merchandise. So this is a wool cap, NHL officially licensed, and this is a 7 5/8 as mentioned, but you see this tagging, so this is probably a 2010 to 2014 hat. But the Fanatics tidbit I gave you still stands, but this was probably produced earlier than what I mentioned because of this tagging. The new tagging with the bigger font tagging came into play in like 2015 and onward. So this is probably before that. So we're talking 2010, 2014. It's an older cap. So what do you think of this bad boy? Calgary Flames. Pretty crisp and clean, that's for sure. The black stitching with the red dome, it kind of sets off a different look, different style. If you like this type of content, subscribe. If you want to purchase NHL New Era hats, the only place on the internet that's really selling it, definitely take a look at the description on where to purchase and free shipping within the USA. Shop.famousthinking.com once again is the sponsor. Shop.famousthinking.com for NHL New Era hats, period. Thank you for watching. Subscribe if you enjoyed this content. More on the way. So long and farewell.